Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can design a custom logotype for a fake brand, and I'm going to show you how to gather inspiration step by step. I'm going to show you essentially the sketching part of this one. So yeah, let's begin. Hey everyone, I am Deep Ganguly and I am a brand identity designer and a creative director. So before I even jump into the process of sketching out the logotype, I need to understand what the brand needs and what the client needs as well. So what I mean by that is working according to the brief. I always ask the client specific questions. I give them a question, a client fills them out. I write specific keywords so that there is no problem regarding what the brand stands for. But in this case, I am the client, so I want the brand to be very uplifting, a little playful, a little bit funky. I want to play with typography as well. So step number 2 is gathering inspiration. Start pulling out ideas from Pinterest. I use Pinterest, you can use any website you want. I'm gonna pull out some ideas, like 10 to 12 ideas out on just my computer, just on my laptop, and I'm gonna see what inspires me, what typographic inspirations are there, and then only I will start sketching my ideas on paper. And these ideas, these sketches are gonna be super rough. So don't worry, don't pressurize yourself. These are not final by any means. They're super rough. You can sketch out as many ideas you want, then we're gonna select a final piece. Yeah, so let's begin. Let's start sketching out on paper.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, me playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose.
In reality, I sketch out a lot more concepts than these. I sketch out like 15 to 20 different concepts, and then I choose like 3 concepts out of that, and after that I choose the best one and start working on that, start refining it. Sometimes I sketch on the same concept for like 3 to 4 times more. So yeah, it's a lengthy process. It can take about like 10 to 12 days sometimes. I always make sure that the logo is very flexible and can work across different platforms, and we can scale it at any size. So I try to make the logo as flexible as possible. Here I've used a blend of different typography to make the logotype very unique, very memorable, and so people can remember it for a long time after seeing it. After this, I leave my sketch for 24 hours and come back the next day to see if the sketch looks boring or not. If not, I just leave it for another 24 hours, and after 48 hours I check that if the design still looks fresh or not. If it looks fresh, then it's job done. It's very important that you work according to the brief. I have designed the logo to be very playful, very uplifting, just like the brief had said. And that's it. We have taken our custom logotype from inspiration to the final sketch. Remember that the sketching process is all about exploration and refinement. You can draw as much as you want. Next, I will show you the process on how I digitize the logotype, and I will create a separate video on that. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. It's just the beginning of me showing you my creative journey. Feel free to comment anything you want to know in the comment section below. I would love to hear it from you. So yeah, bye for now.